So here's how to fix Valorant lag, ping, and packet loss issues. Now first what you want to do is open the task manager by right-clicking Windows icon and then click on task manager. And in here you want to order the processes by network by clicking on the network section here. And it will order them based on network usage. And then you want to close any apps that you don't need that might be consuming the network on the background, which can cause lag spikes and packet loss and stuff like that. By right clicking the process and click end task, and then you can simply close the task manager. Next, you want to make sure that Windows updates or Windows is not downloading any updates in the background by opening the task manager and then going to services and then open services. And in here, you want to search for Windows Update Service, which is right here. Now double click on it. If you want to permanently disable it, you can switch the startup type to disabled. Now, if you want to temporarily disable it, you can leave it like this and then simply press the stop button in here. And that should stop any Windows updates that are being downloaded. Now you can simply press OK and then close this again. Next, you want to right click on Windows icon and then go to network connections and click Ethernet. And then in here under DNS server, click edit, enable IPv4 and then set it to manual in here. And then use this DNS 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS. For the alternate DNS, you want to use 8.8.4.4. Now you can press save and then close this. Next, you want to open the settings by right clicking Windows, go to System. And in here, you want to search for Display, or you can go to Home, System, and then Display. And then scroll down till you see Graphics, click on it. And in here, you want to make sure Valorant is added to this list. If it's not here, you can click Add Desktop App. And then navigate to Valorant and then select it. Next, you want to click on Valorant in here and then choose High Performance from this tab. And then disable optimization for windowed games. Then you can simply close this. Now, if you want to improve your ping further, what you can do is use a software to improve ping, such as this one right here. So the link is going to be in the description if you want to try it. Then you can go to download and make an account in here and test it. It usually connects to a server and then connects to the game. And this server improves your ping by at least 30%. So you can download it and test it for free to see if it improves your ping. The link is going to be in the description again. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.